Hello and welcome to this video on 5 educational technology trends for 2023. Educational technology is constantly evolving, and it's important for educators to stay up to date on the latest developments. In order to effectively integrate technology into their teaching and learning practices. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the trends that are expected to shape the future of educational technology in the coming years. Trend number 1, increased use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. One trend that is expected to continue to grow in popularity is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in education. These technologies can be used to personalize and adapt learning to the needs and abilities of individual students, and can also be used for data analysis and assessment. Trend number 2, greater use of virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are also expected to become more widely used in education, particularly for experiential learning and immersive simulations. These technologies can provide students with a more hands-on and interactive learning experience, and can be used to teach a variety of subjects. Trend number 3, growing trend towards online and blended learning. The trend towards online and blended learning is also expected to continue to grow in the coming years, with more institutions offering online and hybrid degree programs and courses. This trend is being driven by the increasing availability of online resources and the growing demand for flexible learning options. Trend number 4, increased focus on accessibility and equity. There is also likely to be a continued focus on ensuring that technology is accessible and equitable for all students, including those with disabilities. This includes the development of assistive technology, as well as efforts to bridge the digital divide and ensure that all students have access to technology and digital resources. Trend number 5, continued evolution of hardware and software. Finally, it is expected that hardware and software technologies will continue to evolve, with new and improved devices and platforms being developed and introduced on a regular basis. This will provide educators with a wider range of tools and resources to choose from, and will allow them to stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices. That concludes our look at the top 5 educational technology trends for 2023. We hope that this video has given you a glimpse into the future of educational technology and how it is likely to evolve in the coming years. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on educational technology and its role in education.